Hello dear students, I am Ajay Karmarkar. Before proceeding further, there is one request to you. Please watch video completely, sit with copy pen. If you find somewhere important, note it and go further. Although you have any doubts, any problem, please write in comment box. Definitely, when I get the time, I will solve your problem. Along with, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Okay, let's move on. And what is the question? Find the distance of the image from object O formed by the combination of lenses in the figure. You have given three lenses: biconvex, plano, concave, and third one is biconvex again. Its focal length is given 10 centimeter and second minus 10 centimeter and last f equal to plus 30 centimeter, and distance between first two lenses is 5 centimeter and last two is 10 centimeter, and you have given the four options: 75 centimeter, 10 centimeter, infinity, and 20 centimeter. Okay, so final image, the distance between the final image. Okay, we start from first lens. Here u is 30 centimeter. We can use the formula, lens formula, 1 by f1, 1 by v minus 1 by u. And here f1 for the first lens is 10, v we have find out, and u, what is u? U is given 30 centimeter, and applying sign convection rule, minus 30 centimeter, minus minus become plus 1 by 30, transposing the 1 by 30 become minus 1 by 30, 1 by v, then it become LCM 30, 3 minus 1 equal to 1 by V, then 2 by 30 equal to 1 by V, then V equal to 15 centimeter. It is for the first one. First lens, the image is from 15 centimeter. It works as an object for the second. So, is it clear? First distance is 15 centimeter. Now the image formed by the first lens works as an object for the second. Then total distance is from the first lens is 15 centimeter and the distance between the two lenses is 5 centimeter. Then 15 minus 5 becomes 10 centimeter. It serves as an object for this lens. Then 1 by f2 equal to 1 by v2 minus 1 by u. Here the u means you can consider u dash because this is imaginary. 1 by f2. What is f2? f2 is given minus 1 by 10, 1 by v2 minus, and this is distance is 10 centimeter right side, then it can be written as plus 10, means u become plus 10. Why plus 10? Because according to sign convection rule, you can see here, according to sign convection rule, along with a ray, whenever we have to going along with the ray, it should be taken positive, and opposite to the ray, direction of, suppose your ray goes towards to this direction and you want to measure here, so therefore it should be taken negative, but it should be taken positive. So u is 10 centimeter, and transposing, then it become 1 by 10 equal to 1 by v2, then 0 equal to 1 by v2 means v2 infinity. This v2 infinity, and this infinity works as an object again for the third. Now for the third lens, 1 by f3 equal to 1 by v3 minus 1 by u double dash. Okay, but here we have already find out this for the image distance from the second lens is infinity, and this works as an object for the third lens. So what is f3? Plus 1 by 30, 1 by v3, and it is infinity. Okay, so your v3 equal to 30 centimeter. But you can see that it is there is no any answer 30 centimeter. But what we want to ask actually, from first total distance covered 30 centimeter, then 30 centimeter from this 30. Then total distance. Actually, most of the student confused. 30 centimeter, there is no any answer. And they're confused, but it actually asks that total distance covered. Here, 30 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 10 centimeter and then again 30 centimeter. 30, 30, 60, 70 and 75 centimeter total distance covered from the final image to the object. So our option is correct. A answer is correct. Next question. The image of an object formed by a combination of a convex lens of focal length small f and a convex mirror of radius of curvature is capital R. Set up as shown in figure, observe to coincide with the object. Redraw the diagram to mark on it the position of the center of the curvature of the mirror and obtain the expression for R in terms of distance marked as A and D and the focal length F of the convex lens. Very simple question. Actually, this is based on concept, based on fact. What is the fact? As you know that any ray of light which is incident normally to the mirror, then you know that it traces the same path. So when it is possible, this is object. It goes towards to the after refraction, it incident on this mirror. But when it traces the same path, it means it is become normal, and normal means it appears to be reaches to the center of curvature. So therefore it traces the same path and again formed final image is formed at where object is kept. So we can use the formula 1 by f equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. And what is your u? U is minus a because the distance of object is from the lens is a, and by using sign convection rule minus a because we goes to opposite direction to the ray of light. U become minus a. And what is f? F is already given and it is positive. 1 by v. What is v? V actually, this is total distance, this is distance d, and this is appears to be means d plus r. Then v equal to d plus r. Then v equal to d plus r. It is positive. Minus minus plus 1 by a, 1 by f transposing 1 by a become minus 1 by a. Then taking the LCM, fa a minus f equal to 1 by d plus r, then d plus r equal to fa a minus f transposing this d become fa a minus f minus d. It is your formula. I hope so you understand.